Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make popcorn chicken. Very delicious and easy snack recipe. Perfect for a tea time snack. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I've taken 150 grams of boneless chicken. Cut them into small pieces and keep it ready. To this add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of vinegar, half teaspoon of red chilli sauce, half teaspoon of soya sauce and 3 tablespoons of milk. Give all the ingredients a good mix. Now it's all well mixed, so close it with a lid and store in the refrigerator for 6 hours. It's been 6 hours and the chicken pieces are well soaked. To this add 1 beaten egg and mix it well. Keep this ready. Now to another bowl add 2 tablespoons of Maida, 2 tablespoons of cornflour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of chilli powder and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix all the dry ingredients well. Keep this ready as well. Now pick a chicken piece and coat it well in the dry mixture. Then add the coated chicken to ice cold water. Let this rest for 5 seconds. Then again coat it with the dry ingredients. Now it's ready to get fried. Likewise make all the chicken and keep it ready. Now heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, add the chicken pieces one by one. Make sure not to overcrowd. Let this fry for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, flip it to the other side. Let this again cook for 2 more minutes. Now both sides are nice, crispy and golden brown. So let's now remove them. Now our delicious popcorn chicken is ready. Serve it nice and hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, quick and a healthy recipe. So do try this popcorn chicken recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.